This How to 1 Minute will show you how to use the Image Carousel Widget in Elementor. First of all, edit the page or post using Elementor. How you want to add a Image Carousel Widget and search for the area. For example, I want to add the slideshow here, so I'm clicking on this plus icon, add section, and click on add container, and I'm selecting this first structure. Now click on this widget icon. In the search widget box, type here image carousel, and this is the widget we are going to use, and it's totally free. Just drag this image carousel. Once the widget added, now we need to upload our images here to make a carousel. So click on add images, and now you can upload images from your computer from here, but right now I'm going to selecting images from my. So here's I'm selecting these 3 photos, clicking on create a new gallery, and now you can change the image position. Click on insert gallery, and here as you can see a simple image carousel has been created. Now we will customize this slider or carousel. So here you can change image resolution and slides to show. You can show only 1 images per slide. So here's I'm selecting 1, and as you can see now 1 image is showing up here. Image, okay, navigation, here we can see a arrow navigation and a dots. Click on navigation, and here you can select only arrows, or you can select only dots, or you can select none to remove dots and arrow navigations, or you can select both arrows and dots. And you can change these previous icon and next arrow icon from here. And now you can add a title, caption, or description here. Once done, click on additional options, and here you can enable lazy load. You can enable autoplay. So as you can see, automatically my slideshow working. If you want to disable this feature, you can do it from here. And if you want to pause the carousel whenever you hover on photo, you can do it from here. Pause on interactive, you can change it from here. Auto play speed, I'm giving here thousands. Infinity loop, select yes. And now you can change effect from this list. You can select slide or fade. And here you can change animation speed. You can change direction to left or right. So this is how we can add image carousel widget in Elementor. If this video helped you, please leave a like and comment below if it works. Thank you very much.